Hi, good morning, son. You are here. Don't you work at this time?
Yes, Grandpa. I was going to my work, but I can't find my car's key.
Oh, I see. Where I have seen the key last time I can't recall. But let's find together.
Sure, why not? It would be great. I am late already. Please help me.
But firstly, you have to remember where you had left the key for the last time. Then we can start there.
I can recall. I am not sure. I think I put it on my computer table. Before sleeping every day, I put it there.
Well, I think I have seen your keys for the last time under your bed. You might have dropped the key there.
Usually, I don't leave there. I'm sure by mistake it had fallen under the bed.
Oh, I can recall. I saw the key last time there. I picked it up and put it inside the box.
Box? Which box, Grandpa? I have many boxes in my room. I keep my gadgets in boxes. I think you know it.
Oh, calm down, my son. The box is near the TV. Probably the box color is black and white.
You mean the box is above the TV, right? But I never keep my key at this place. Don't know, Grandpa?
Oh, I am sorry, son. I was in a hurry a little bit, so I couldn't find a better place after that. I leave it there.
It's okay, Grandpa. You don't need to say sorry. You are talking about the place I already have checked, but I couldn't find anything there.
Ops, have you checked out of the box? Maybe it has fallen.
I checked also there, but nothing was there. I checked under the box and out of the box.
Well, sometimes you wake up late hurry to prepare for work, right?
Yes, because I need to complete some projects. That's why I sleep late at night. What's the connection with it?
Probably it has fallen when you were going down the stairs fast.
I don't think so, Grandpa. It's true. I was in a hurry, but at least I could notice the key, right?
Okay, did you check your brother's room?
In Brother's room? I already asked him in the morning. He told me he doesn't know anything about this.
Well, still, I feel that I have seen the key in the box. Can you please check it again?
Come on, Grandpa. I have checked very well. Believe me. Where else can it be? Any idea?
I forget. Did you ask your grandmother? She was outside for 1 year.
No, I didn't ask anything of her.
She might forget where things should keep. You should ask.
I don't think so because she never touches anything in my room.
Okay, if you don't want to ask, then I don't have any problem. As you wish, my son.
Yes, I don't want to bother her at all. She's very kind and good.
Well, let's keep thinking and try to find other places in the home.
Grandpa, you've been drinking something since I started talking with you.
Oh, this is one of these special drinks that I drink every day to keep my body energetic. It's delicious.
Isn't that the drink I left in the fridge?
No, this drink I only make for myself. I don't share with anyone.
That's nice. My brother left soda inside the bottle I drink every day. I thought you were drinking that one.
Soda? Never, as I told you before, this is my special drink and it's really energetic and powerful.
Oh, I see. Can you please share with me your special drink?
Okay, I can share it you with no problem.
Anyway, right now this is not important. I have to find my key. I am too late, Grandpa. I need to as soon as possible.
Okay, let me think. Have you checked already in the kitchen?
Kitchen? Why would I check there? I never put keys there.
But once I saw it in the kitchen, when I was taking my energy drink from the fridge.
But I saw nothing at that place. We should find it now without wasting our time, right?
Yes, let's find the key. You are already late.
I was telling you to, let's find, but you are telling me different things.
Ops, I am tired. Have you found the key? I checked the entire of our house.
Did you already look at your clothes?
Yes, I have checked, but I couldn't find anything there.
Oh my God, now what will I do? Today is my bad day.
Don't worry, my son. I am calling some people They will find the key for you.
How they will find, Grandpa? If we can't find the key because we are looking for it for more than 1 hour.
You are right, but we searched for it in a hurry. We have to be calm and then we can find it later. Okay.
Okay, but I'm too late today. If I go to the office, my boss will near spare me.
Why? He should understand your problem. At least anyone can face this type of problem, even your boss, right?
Absolutely, Grandpa, but he is not like other bosses. He's very strict about time.
Calm down, calm down. Don't be scared. I can come with you. I will talk with your boss.
No. He will be angry with me. I have to convince him by myself. There is no other way.
Okay, as your wish. You know which one is better. I will not force you at all.
But how will I go to the office? I have no idea.
Relax. I can call a text for you. Do you want to go by the taxi?
Taxi? But taxi, you will not find it here. You have to go in front of the market.
I know. I will use your dad's motorcycle. I will be not late.
That's cool, but go with it carefully.
Hey, the taxi is coming. It is just close to our house.
Thank you so much. You are great and fast. I thought I would not be able to go to the office.
Never be disappointed. One common mistake people do. We think about the problem instead of thinking about the solution.
Yes, I do this mistake too. I always waste my time thinking about the problem.
Now you should go. Take care of yourself.
If you found the video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.